Hi, my name is Devin. I work here at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today I'm here to show you the Sea Ray 310 SLX. Starting at the stern, we have IOs. They are 6.2 liter Mer Cruisers. This is a submersible swim platform that will deploy and go into the water for an easier step down. Going up to the stern, we have a large aft-facing sunpad. These raise and lower to either create a large sunpad or stadium seating. Moving to the starboard side, we have an ice box, a hatch for all of your battery switches, another hatch for your swim platform, freshwater washdown, and your shore power connections. We also have a boarding step in case you're at a dock that you need to step over the gunnel to get in and out of your boat. Behind this door, we have a cuddy for your garbage can. We have a refrigerator, a countertop, and another ice box, and this deep box for a wine chiller. As you can see, we have a lot of seating area, a removable table for the cockpit. This companion seat has a flip bolster and pivots. This companion jump seat. Another hatch that stores a cooler. Now to the helm, a flip-up bolster, Mercury joystick, sky hook, new Mercury throttles, dynamic running surface, all of your switches, and two 12-inch Simrad displays for navigation. Going to the port console, we have a large head, lockable storage, in the starboard console, you have your breakers, moving to the bow, we have a large, spacious bow area with flip-up armrests. There's storage underneath each of these seats. Under this seat, you have access to your anchor locker. Your anchor hatch has an electric windlass. This boat has a very large sunroof. And a last look. If you're interested in learning more about the 310 SLX, please give us a call. If you want to set up an appointment to come and look at it, feel free. We are more than happy to walk through the boat with you.